Team Yellow versus Team Black. Team Yellow, number 21, Alex Cabales. Number 10, Mark Samson. Number 24, Kenneth Segado. Number 23, James Megrado. Number 85, Shintaro Malorda. Number 17, Alde Ras. Number 29, Ino Manga. Number 32, Martin Atsuno. Number 7, Pat Hernandez. And number 16, Alvin Santos. Number 84, Maron. Para sa Team Black, number 17, Andre, sorry. Number 4, Mi Yulo. Number 20, Guy Cruz. Number 13, Josh Matraoy. Number 1, Steve Almando. Number 12, Nico Sabido. Number 8, Ching Yulo. Number 7, Eric. Number 28, Eric Mentor. Give it up for your grand finalist. Sorry. Number 77, Utah. Wala eh, kulang yung ano eh, nagsunod eh. Here we go. This is the grand finals, the moment we've all been waiting for. Starting by for Team Black, number 4, Vic. Number 20, Maki. Number 1, Tim. Number 12, Nico. And number 8, Ching. Starting by for Team Yellow, number 10, Samson. Number 32, Martin. Number 29, Ino. Number 7, Ras. And number 21, Cabale. Good luck to both teams. Pakitaan nyo kami ng magandang laban.
And tip-off is on the way. Make some noise for your teams. Kasha, Taro, Mallorca. 2-ways tayo dyan. This is the final game of our Capville G League season. Give it all players. This is the championship round. Tip-off is on the way. Won by the yellow team. Samson receives the ball. RJ pass to Kume. Kume for G. Number 20 passes to number 8. Number 8 passes to Kuya Tim. Kuya Tim passes to Kuya Maki. Bumawi ng 3. No good. Rebound. Sinot finds Samson. Alley-oop. No good. Rebound Cruz. Sets the ball. Wait lang daw, sabi ni Kuya Maki. 15 to shoot. Pass to Kuya Ching. Kuya Ching for 3. No good. Rebound and Sinot. Pass to Kume. Kume. Handling the ball. Natapa si Samson. Kume. Pass to RJ. 15 to shoot. Martin. Wait lang. Save. Kuha ni Kuya Ching. Behind the back. What a nice move. Sets the ball. Finds Kuya Tim. Finds Kuya Maki. Kuya Maki driving to the paint. Kuha ni Kuya Ching. Tries another 3. No good. Rebound Samson. Saves the ball. Kuha ni Kuya Ching. Kuya Maki for 3. No good. Rebound again. That's Sinod. Pass to RJ. RJ thought about the 3. Eno driving. No. Passes to Kume. 11 to shoot. Foul. Number 1. Personal foul. First team foul. Sorry. Not hype. My bad. I'm just a commentator. Inbound. RJ receives the ball. Finds Eno handling the ball now. Finds RJ. Drop pass, no good. Can't catch the ball. Turnover, yellow. Wala ba tayong halftime show? Wala ba si Kusei? Wala ba si Diego?
Tawagan si Diego.
Oras daw. Ewan ko. Sabi ni Ben eh. Gulo mo, Ben. Ikaw nang gugulo, Ben. Kuya Maki handling the ball. Our score is still 3-0 in the first quarter of the championship game. As Kuya Meg finds Kuya Maki, finds Kuya Ching, grabs to the paint, Kuya Ching, another, no good, rebound Kuya Meg, no. Yellow ball. Ben pasok daw. RJ now bring the ball down. RJ finds someone faster, finds Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin finds RJ. Finds Kume. Kume driving. Pull up 3 from the corner. No good. Rebound. Saves. No. Stepping over the line. Kuya Maki looking to counter attack. But can't. Finds Kuya Ching. Kuya Ching tries another 3. No good for it. Rebound Kume. Pushing the ball down now. Followed by Kuya Tim. Staggering defense. Finds Samson. Thought about a 3. No foul. What's the call, ref? Traveling. Time remaining in the first quarter, 7 minutes and 27 seconds. Kuya Maki, 70 to shoot. Finds Kuya Ching again. Thought about the 3, but no. Back to Kuya Maki, 12 to shoot. Kuya Maki, humingi na screen. Pass Kuya Tim. Drives to the paint. Layup is good. Our score. Kuya Tim puts the score on the board for the team black. Kume for 3. No good. Oh, sinabi ko na. Kuya Ching now handling the ball again. Pass to Kuya Maki. 15 seconds shot clock. Finds Kuya Tim. 11 to shoot. Kuya Ching for 3 again. No good for it. Still goes. Foul. Number 4. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Second team foul of the game. RJ now bringing the ball down. RJ finding someone to pass to. Finds Samson, pero can't catch the ball. Pass Kuya Meg. Kuya Maki receives the ball. Kuya Maki, 3v3 situation. 4-5v3 situation now. Tim driving. Last touch by. Last touch. Team Black. Team Yellow. Hindi. Sorry. Last touch, Team Yellow. Kuya Ching tries the 3 again. No good for it. Still cold. Rebound by Ino. RJ finds Martin. Martin driving to the paint. No good. Rebound Ino. No. Rebound Samson. Finds Martin. Martin. 16-second shot clock. Martin. Finding. No. Last touch. Rep. Same ball. Shot clock is at 12 seconds. Shot. Oh! Tapik ni Quinix. Kuha ni Kuya Mac. Kuya Mac ilong into counter attack. Good turn around the Jets. Find up. What's the corner? Traveling. Okay, back to the ball game. 80-second shot clock. Kume tries to three. Foul! Number 8. First personal foul, 13 foul. 3 shots. Number 8. Rep, 3 shots, rep. Okay. First shot for Commissioner Alvin Cavares, aka El Granada. First shot is good. 3 shots, 3 shots out. Good, one more shot. Last shot for Commissioner Alvin is good. Prove him wrong, Kume. Pag sinabi nilang wala, i-shoot mo lang, i-shoot. 70-second shot left pass to Quitting. Thought about a three, no. Grabs, kick out to Quitting, Quitting, grab into the paint. Pass to Quimig. Recovers the ball. Quimig tries to score the tree. No good. Rebound Samson. Samson foul. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty for number 1 of Team Black. Sub. Handling the ball. Pass to Kill Martin from the center. Staggering defense by Papa Bear. Papa Bear. Stop. No. Good D, better offense. Pop up. Martin. Ang sunod. Kuya Odd now handling the ball. John fakes the pass. Takes the tree. No good. Rebound. Kuya Odd. Kuya Odd pass to Kuching. Kuching finding ways to score. Finds John in the corner. John Durant and kick out to Kuya Odd. Kuya Odd takes the tree. Our score, 5-8 in favor of Team Yellow. Kuya Martin bumawi. Nakabawi ng Drew. It's a back and forth game for these two teams. Good change for the three. No good, Barrett still goes. Papa for rebound. Foul! Who's foul with? 29. First personal foul, team foul. Sub, mamaya, pag-shoot. Team foul. First team foul. Sub-rep. Sub-rep, sub-rep, sub-rep. Sabi ako. Sabi ako sub-rep. Basta second shot pag free throws ha. Our score now 8-11 in favor of Team Yellow pa rin. Cavares handling the ball. 17-second shot clock finds RJ. Fakes the pass. Back to Ino. Fakes the pass again. Grabs to the paint. Ino. Easy layup for Ino. John Marie now pushing the ball. Finding ways to score. 17-second shot now. Finds Quitting. Quitting. Pass to the corner. Corner to Andres. No good. Rebound RJ. RJ now pushing the ball. RJ turning on the Jets. RJ passes to Alvin. Alvin. No pass. No. Rebound. Nice playback by number 32. John spins. Back. Hello, pinasa. 16-second shot clock. Dead ball. Kuya Eric, power move. No good. Rebound. Who's ball rep? Same ball. Sub rep. Pasok ang pasok, labas ang labas. Inbound si John. John spins. 18-second shot clock. Back to John. Picked up by Kuya Onyot. 40-second shot clock. John. 12 to shoot. Finds switching. Grab to the paint. Layup. It's good. 5 ang kalamangan. Team Yellow. 3 minutes remaining in the first quarter. 18 to shoot. Taro now handling the ball. Finds Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin for 3 again. No good this time. Rebound, Kuya Ching turning on the Jets. Passes to John. John finds someone to pass to, but can't find somebody. 70-second shot clock. Pass to Kuya Eric. Kuya Eric takes the pass back to John. 12 to shoot. Kuya Ching, libre sa tres. 3! Timeout! Yellow! Our score, 15 to 30. Pwede pre, batay. Okay, imbes ng pass running gun. 60-second shot clock. Taro, humingi na screen. Spins move on, odd. Pass, Onyot, easy layup, nice hit. John, pass Kuya Ching. 15 to shoot. John, humingi na screen kay Papa Bear set screen. Kuya Otomga, 8 to shoot. 3, no good. Who's ball rep? Yellow. Taro, bring the ball down. Taro, wait lang daw. Taro, humingi na screen. Pumanto na up. Kick ball. Uy, kalapasok. Warning for technical delay of the game, number 17. 15-second shot clock. Pass to Alvin. Pass to Ino. Pass to Kuya Martin. Up, foul. Who's on it? Number 13. First personal foul penalty. Uy, penalty. Penalty rep. Penalty block. Penalty, yung foul ni Josh.
Sinabi ni Josh.
Hindi, sinabi ko, penalty. Sinabi ko, di narinig ni rep. Benta! Ikaw yung benta ko dyan. Halika dito! Dali, magpulit ka ng mga cotton. Halika. Second shot. Sub rep. Okay, pang-shoot to, Kuya Alvin. One more shot. Last shot, number 32. It's good. Sub rep. Time remaining in the first quarter, 1 minute and 35 seconds. Our score 13-19. Kuya Onyot picks up Kuya Ching. John, no, doesn't take the three. Drive to the main, Kuya Ching. What's the foul rep? Number 7. First personal foul, second team foul. Tama, di ba? Second. Official score, 19-13. 20 raw official score. Official score daw, 20. Tama lang daw, Belgrado. 15 to shoot. Humingi ng screen switching. Papa Bear sets the screen. Grab to the paint. Foul. Who's foul rep? 32. Holding foul. First personal foul, 13 foul. Time remaining 1:11 seconds. Jom, libre sa 3, takes a 3. By Joe Marie Mallorca. Last 55 seconds remaining. 14 to shoot. Start up, finding someone to pass it. Drive to the paint. Drive pass to Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin. No good. Rebound Kuya Odd. Joe Marie bringing the ball down. 40 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Joe Marie thought about the three. Switching grab. Pass to Kuya Odd. Grab into the paint. Floater. Floater is good by Audrey Andres. Our score, 19-18. Isa na lang kalamangan ng Team Yellow. 22 seconds remaining, 15 seconds shot clock. Taro for three! No good! Rebound Papa Bear. Pass to Kuya Odd, outlet pass to Kitchen. Last shot for the Team Black. 10 seconds remaining, first quarter. Naaga ng tone, recovered by Black. 5 to shoot. For three, Kitchen. No good. Kuya Eric. Good. Basket is good. Our score, 2019 in favor of Team Black.
Kasang nila. Parang may tugtog.
Wala ba naka-premium mo sa Spotify?
Walang hindi ko siya.
Hindi, yun nga. May premium naman ako. Okay, back to the bagay. Kuya Odd. Kuya Odd for three. RJ, wait lang daw. Pass to Kels. 70 seconds shot clock. Pass to Kume. Kume, pass to RJ. RJ, pass to Kels. Kels, driving. Kels, and stop by Kuya Maki. Once the call ref, same ball. Shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Kuya Martin. 8 to shoot. Kuya RJ for three. No good. Rebound Papa Bear. Kuya Maki now handling the ball. Our score, 23-19. Stop by RJ. Same ball. Libre nila dali yung pass is good by Papa Bear. 25-19 ang score. Lumalaki na kalamangan ng Team Black. 16 to shoot for Team Yellow. Pass to Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin looking for someone. Screen by Ino. Step back three. No good. Rebound Kuya Mick. Pass Kuya Maki. Kuya Maki. Skip pass Kuya Odd for three. No good. It's short. Rebound Kuya Odd pa rin. Step through lane. Let's go. Good. RJ now handing the ball. Pass to Kels. Kels. Finds Ino. Ino takes the mid-range. Mid-range is good. Our score, 27-21. RJ, muntik kung tumagawan. Kuya Maki. 13 to shoot. Agaw ni Kels. Kels, nice steal and nice lead. RJ finds Kume. Kume driving to the paint. Foul. No foul is called. Good down, sabi ni Rep. Ino. Oh, that is too strong. Sub-rep. Sub-rep. Back to the ball game.
Salam, Grace.
70 to shoot. Turnover again by Team Yellow. Our score, 27-21. Kuya Mick now handling the ball. Pass Kuya Odd, thought about the window. Kuya Maki, pass to Kuya Mick, thought about the three. Pass with him, open for three. Short, rebound Kuya Odd for two, no. Kels now handling the ball. Kels turning on the Jets. Kels, layup, foul. Number one. Third personal foul, team foul. Sub-rep.
Oo, tama yung par.
Sub-rep. Timeout. Timeout. Black. Kuya Tim, third personal foul. Ilang team foul na yung Black? Paul. Ilang team foul yung Black na yun? One. First team foul. Sub ka? On. Second shot. No good. Rebound ng Team Yellow pa rin. Yellow keeps possession. RJ pass to the corner. Doesn't take a three. Samson driving crossover. Bangga. Doesn't take that shot. Stolen by Quintin. 1v1 for the Quintin. Quintin. Rebound pa rin ni Quintin. No good. Wait lang ko, sabi ni Kuya Odd. 18 to shoot. Finds Kuya Maki. Pass to Quintin. Pass to Kuya Maki. Kuya Maki driving. Kick out to the corner. Corner three. Short. Rebound Kuya Eric. No look pass to Kuya Maki. Nice pass and nice finish. So, dead ball kaya. 18 to shoot. Our score 29-21 in favor of Team Yellow. RJ driving. Pass to Samson. Saves the ball. 6 to shoot. Samson driving. Foul. Number. Sub-rep. 28. 14.
Good job.
28. First personal foul, second team foul. First, diba first? First shot, Samson. No good. Second shot, Samson. It's good. Second shot is good by Samson. Jong now bring the ball down. Jong finds Kuya Maki. 16 to shoot. Finds Kuya Mig. Pass Kuya Odd. Three again. Grabe ang shooting ni Kuya Odd this season. Worthy of the 3-point team title. Kuya Meg, bumawi ang tres. Short this time. Papa Bear, hindi narinig ka hanggang dito. Kuya Mig tumanggap, 19 to shoot. What's the call there? Traveling. Time remaining 5 minutes and 53 seconds in the second quarter. Our score 32 to 22. Lamang na 10 ang Team Black. Kume, covered by Tres, no good. Rebound, down to Eno, kick out to Samson, napitawan ng bola. Can't control the ball. Sub-rep. Sub. Job now handling the ball. 18 seconds shot clock. Finds Kuya Maki. Finds Odd now dribbling. 11 to good. What's the ball? 3 seconds violation. RJ now bring the ball down. Our score the same, leading by 10. What's the call, ref? Number 4. Second personal foul, 30 foul. Tap ni Kuya Odd. Josh, wala pa. Pasok na, Josh. Pasok na.
Kuya Josh, technical ka nyo, Kuya Josh. Behind the game nun, Jack.
Technical. Rep, tawag ka, rep.
Wala ka sinabi.
Rep.
Hindi, nagbasag na kami sabi.
Sino technical? Bench daw or player? Player or bench yung technical? Ano pa lang? 13 foul. Ilang team foul ng yellow? Hindi, ilang yellow nagtatanong kasi? Ilang team foul? Wala pa ako. 13 foul ng black team. Yellow team, wala pang team foul. Kuya Eric picks up Kume, long three! No! Gordon tumama. 5 in the second quarter. Kuya Maki bringing the ball down. Kuya Maki finds John. 15 to shoot. Finds Kuya Maki again. Kuya Maki corner three. No. 12 to shoot. Finds John. John takes a three. No good. Oh, tap two. Okay. Same ball. Sub rep. Sub rep. RJ. 16 to shoot. Kuya Martin for three. Short. Rebound odd. Odd finds Kuya Maki. Back to switching. Back to switching again. Switching, driving. Layup is good. Our score 34-22, leading by 12 on Team Black. Kuya Martin, floater. Floater is good. RJ. RJ assists. Kuya Maki takes a three. Oh, tapik ni RJ. Recovers by Team Black. Switching. No, rebound Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin. Outlet pass to Kume. Other end is good. Oh. 34. Low. Red ball sub. Kuya Maki takes a three, no good. Rebound, tries to save the ball, but can't be saved. Sub-rep. Pasok na ang pasok, labas ang labas. Pasok na ang pasok, huwag ka lalabas. 34-36 ang score. Alvin takes a three. Short, rebound Eno, teardrop, no good. Rebound Papa Bear. Pass to twitching. 18 seconds shot clock. Twitching, Duraz, kick out. Brotherly connection. Twitching assist. Timeout. May time magpa-yellow. Ball. Meron pa. Kuya Chase, meron pa. Kuya Chase. Sabihin niyo may time out. 18 seconds shot clock. Martin mid-range. Short. Tries to save the ball. Can't be saved. Twitching now, down into the paint. Right-hand layup. It's good. Our start. No foul is called. Foul and one. Who's foul ref? Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, Team Black. Sub rep. May pansit eh. 15 to shoot.
Mausok na dito. John takes a three. Short. Rebound Martin. Outlet pass to Kels. Kels all alone on the other end. Good. Our score 31-38. Oh. What's the call? Timeout. Black. Time remaining 2 minutes and 2 seconds. John now receives the ball. Last 2 minutes of the second quarter. John pass to Quit James. Back to John. Pass to Quit Mix. Ganda ng pasahan na yun. No good. Rebound. Papa Bear. No good. It's called. We're running, turning on the Jets. Coast to coast. Kels. Liber. Panic. Who's foul, ref? Who's foul? Okay. Sino foul rep? Wait lang. Sino foul rep? 4. Pakilang foul. Third personal foul. Penalty. Yung nag-iiyaw po sa labas, pwede po. Yung baga, wag po dito sa court. First shot is good. Ganun pa naman. Pay na pa ganun. Second shot. Second shot. Oh, low. 2 bars back. Jump. 16 to shoot. Finds clear on for 3. No good. Rebound Martin. Martin, wait lang daw, sabi. Martin, akin na raw to. Eurostep was the call, ref. Was the call, traveling. Tumayaw pa si ref. Yan ang counter-attack. Nakatalikod na Team Yellow. Kuya, picked up by 2 of the Team Yellow. 14 to shoot. Muntik kumanaga yung Team Yellow. Kels, all along on the other end. Good shot by Kels Delgado. Time remaining, last 1 minute of the second quarter. Our score 30-34 in favor of Team Black. Kuya Mick fakes the pass, finds Kuya Odd, driving. Luther is good. Kume, finds outlet pass to Alvin. Napitawan na bola. Rebound ay kuha ni Getching. Wait lang daw, set lang daw. Finds Papa Bear now bring the ball down, 18 to shoot. Last 34 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 14 to... Kuya back it open for 3. Our score 43-34. Kume, babawi yung 3. El Granada! 57 remaining in the second quarter. 43-37 ang score. Lamang ng animang Team Black. Kuya Maki. 6 to shoot. Finds jump. Shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Kuya Maki, foul! Who's foul rep? 24, Panginoon Team 24. First personal foul. First team foul? Wait, okay, first team foul. Time remaining in the first quarter, 1.3 seconds in the second quarter. No good. Sub rep. Isa pa. Sub rep. No. And that's the end of our first half of the finals game. Our score, leading by 8. Bakit out pass to Quit him, nabitawan na bola. Quit him, pass to Quit Eric. 17 to shoot. Pass to Quit Ching, all alone. No good. Quit Eric rebound, no foul score. Kels now handling the ball. Our score 47-37. Taro driving. No fouls go. Rebound pa rin Taro. Fouls go. Who's foul rep? 4:28. Second personal foul. First team foul. Taro, first shot is good. Taro, fresh from Sorsogon. Shout out Luis Manengas. Second shot by Taro is good, fresh from Sorsogon. Seventeen to shoot. Kuya Chick drives to the baseline. Passes to Kuya Ming, what a pass, but can't be finished. Rebound Kuya Eric. Dalawang kumuha. Kuya Maki finds Kuya Chick in the corner three. No good. Rebound pa rin Kuya Eric. Kuya Eric. Kuya Tin yung hawak ng bola. Finds Kuya Ching. Kuya Ching finds Kuya Mig. Kuya Mig takes the mid-range jumper. Jumper is good. Kuya Alvin, 17 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Kuya Alvin takes a three, huli. Pero rebound ni Samson. Samson true is good. Drive to the baseline, Kuya Tim. Easy layup by Kuya Tim. Kuya Alvin driving, stop by Kuya Mami. Foul! Who's foul rep? Number 20. Paglan. Sub rep. First personnel, second team foul. Wala sub dito. Hindi, wala sa yellow. Taro! Thought about a three, doesn't take it. 18 to shoot. Kels dribbling, 15 to shoot. Kuya Alvin passes Kuya Martin. 10 to shoot. Kuya Alvin for three. No good. Josh rebound. Tumumba si Taro. Kuya Maki now handling the ball. 17-second shot clock. Kuya Chico puts the call rip. Traveling.
Sino?
Sub rip. Kels now handling the ball. Kumain for three. No good. Called in the second half. Kels. Alanganin yung pasok pero recovered. 18 to shoot. Kuya Martin grabbing a blue shot. What's the foul rep? Foul! Who's foul rep? 20. Number 8. Third team foul. Second personal foul. Kuya Alvin. Pass to Taro. 18 to shoot. Finds Kuya Alvin. Moving in the screen. 14 to shoot. Kuya Alvin down into the paint. No good. Rebound Papa Bear. Papa Bear finds Kuya Odd. Kuya Odd passes to Jom. Jom now handling the ball. 16 on the shot clock. Finds Kuya Meg. Kuya Meg takes a jumper. No good. Rebound Samson. Samson passes Kuya Alvin. Kuya Alvin turning on the jet. Finds Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin. Tumakas again. Taro rebound. One off the play by Taro. Finds Kuya Alvin. Kuya Alvin. No balance go, but the layup is good. Fights through the defender. Kuya Alvin. Taro. 15 on the shot clock. Kuya Odd takes the three. No good. Kuya Alvin turning on the jets once again. Kuya Alvin passes to Kels. Kels layup. No good. John passes to Kuya Ching. 3v1 situation. Oh! Sumabit pero recovered by Team Blackbird. Samson receives. Samson dribbling. Layup. Rebound Samson. No good. Sub rip. Sub rep. Technical free throw, no good. Sub rep, sub ah. Pasok ang pasok, labas ang labas.
Sarap yan.
Inbound quitting. Quitting, receive. 5 for odd, pass ko yung make. Ganun na po sa akin ngayon. What a passing to Lilic. Our score, leading by 12. Team Black, 55.2. Kumet, tumira ng 3. Quitting now handling the ball. Finds Quinton, takes a 3. It's short, rebound. Papa Bear, kick out. Kuya out for 3. 3. Pull up, Chels, no good. Rebound, Ino, no good for him. Rebound, Papa Bear. Time out. But we are on. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. We are on for 3. No good. Rebound Black. 18 to shoot. We are on for 3 again. No good. Rebound Kels. Kels now turning on the Jazz pass to Kume driving. Kume all the way to the paint. Short. Rebound down. Taro. Pinoy Smith. No good. We are marking rebound. Pass. No. Started by Team Black. Papa Bear team na hapon. Timeout. Timeout. Yellow. Bakit saan mo yun? Benedict Alboronos, fuckboy ng katarungan. Ay, Villa Catalina. 18 to shoot. Kumet grabbing. Finds Pano. 13 to shoot. Why staggering defense from Team Black? Kuya Meg finds quitting. Passes to Kuya Maki for 3. Our score, 61-46. We are outlet for 3. No good. Outlet pass to Kuya Maki. 3v1 situation, split lang daw. 18 to shoot. 15 second shot clock. 12 to shoot. 2. Sub-rep. Wala. Kuya Alvin cut up. One second rep. Sub-rep. Pasok ang paro. Rebound with him. Kuya Eric receives. Pass to Kuya Meg. Pass to Kuya Cheng. 16 second shot clock. Pass to Kuya Maki. 13 to shoot. Pass to Kuya Meg. Kuya Meg back to Kuya Maki. Kuya Maki driving. Pass to Kuya Cheng for 3. Our score is 67-46 in favor of Team Black. 30 second shot clock. Pass to RJ. RJ grabbing to the paint. Grab na si Ino. Lakas. Rebound Kuya Maki. Oh, muntik na marag. Kuya Eric, kumiting sa likod. 70 second shot clock. Pass to Kuya Maki. Kuya Maki. Pass to corner. Corner 3. No good. Rebound Kuya Eric. Oh, nasa corner. Jump rep. Sub-rep. RJ handling the ball, 70-second shot clock. RJ pass to Eno, no look pass. It's not good. Jump pass to Pitim all along on the other end. Layup is good by Jomari Mallorca. Assist by Jomari Mallorca.
Timeout. Basket. Ay!
We have it for three.
Kaya pa yan, mga
1 minute remaining in the third quarter. Jump spins, finds with him. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Jumper in deep 3. No good. Rebound Knicks. Bilang up. Kuha. Outlet pass Kuya Martin grabbing on the way. Bumps. Nice bump. Our score is 69-51 in favor of Team Black. Time remaining in the third quarter, 20 seconds. Who's foul rep? Number 17. 16. First personal foul, first team foul. Time remaining in the third quarter. Sub rep. Time remaining 20 seconds. Personal foul, team foul. RJ. 14 remaining. Pass to Phoenix. Ganda na pasan! Wow! 6 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1. No good. Buzzer beating. Patrick Aguirre, wala ng award. Kuya Ching receives. Kuya Ching receives a screen from Phoenix. Drive to the paint. What's the call rep? Blocking. And then stepping over the line. Kels ngayon tumanggap na bola. Kels.
Ingat si bola.
Punch Kuya Martin. Mid-range. No. Foul. Number 20. First team foul. Second personal foul. Job lang. Kuya Eno, pass to Kels, driving. Loader, no good. Rebound, Papa Bear.
Up.
Fine switching. 17-second shot clock. Fine screen, Nick. No! Hindi sa kanya. Kumet, turning on the Jets. Drop pass. Easy layup.
Dead ball po kaya Mick.
Dead ball kay mix up. Dead ball. Switching, now handling the ball. 18-second shot clock. Receives the screen. Kuya Maki. Receives the screen from Papa Bear. Kuya Maki for 3. No good. Rebound, Eno up. Foul. Number 13. Sub rep. Eno back to RJ. Goes to Kuya Martin. Thought about a 3. Sets the 3. 3's no good. Rebound, Kuya Maki. Papa Bear receives. Papa Bear right them down. 16 to shoot. Back to Kuya Mig. Kuya Mig takes the 3. No good. Rebound, Black. With him. Easy layup. RJ receives now, dribbling the ball. RJ, 14 to shoot. Finds Kuya Martin, sizing up his opponent. Hook shot, no good. Back to Kuya Maki. 15-second shot clock. Josh, spin move, pumaga, foul. Offensive foul. Offensive foul na. Josh, warning for graduation. Third team foul. RJ, pass to Eno, back to RJ driving to the paint. New layup is good. Kuya Ching handling the ball. Kuya Maggie fakes a three. Libre-libre sa ilalim. Assist by Kuya Maggie. 2 points for Kuya Tim. Our score 75-55. We're from Team Dafarin. Kuya Alvin for three. Kuya Mick tumanggap, 17-second shot clock. Kuya Tim, back to Kuya Odd. Kuya Odd thought about three, no. Drop pass to Kuya Mig. 10 to shoot. Kuya Ching, back to Kuya Odd. Kuya Maki for three. Boom, Perez. Time out now. Kuya Ching for three, no good. Kuya Alvin driving to the paint. Layup is good. Kuya Ching, Kuya Tim, different sa tres. No good. Outside. Timeout. Yellow. Back to the ball game. Time remaining the fourth and final quarter. 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Charles, Jeremy, pull up, short. Rebound Kuya Eric. Kuya Ott pushing the ball, finds Kuya Tim, stolen by Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin driving to the paint. Kuya Martin, looking at the line. That's what. Stolen by Kume. Kuya Martin, pass to Chaos all along. No, 1v1 Kuya Eric. Layup is good. Kuya Ching driving. 1v1 Kume. Nice team by Kume. But better offense by Kuya Ching. Time, Sabep. Kuya Alvin. 15-second shot clock. Kuya Martin, bumabangga. Power move, no good. Rebound Kuya Eric. Kuya Ching now handling the ball. 16-second shot clock. Drop to the paint. Out. Sub-rep. Minutes remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Alvin for three, no good. Rebound the Alvin for it. Nope. Kuya Maki now receives the ball. Our score 80-62. That shot is open. Our score 82-62. Eno, tumama sa paa niya. Stolen by Kuya Ching, pass to Kuya Maki, back to Kuya Ching for low, fakes the three. Drop to Kuya Maki, 15 to shoot. Trainer Josh Maglay with two. Pass to Kume, three. Blocked by Kuya Mig. Stolen by Eno. Kume all on the backcourt. Timeout. Kuya Ching driving, drop pass. Layup is good. Assist by Kuya Ching. Met tries a three. Three is good. Our score 86-67. After pitching. Pitching. Stand to shoot. We are on. Out of 3. We are on corner 3. No good. Kuya Alvin going to the plate, grab Mascolino, and one! Who's foul rep? 20. Penalty. Sub rep. Third personal foul, Kuya Maki. No good. Kuya Martin, no good for him. Picking up. 3 minutes remaining in fourth and final quarter. 3v1 situation. Different Kuya Maki on the other end. Our score 88-69. Kuya Alvin. Kume. Thought about the 3. Passes to Subrep. Ino, pass to Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin, power move. Foul. Who's foul rep? Who's foul? Four. Pangilan. Warning for graduation. Penalty. Diba. First shot, no good. Second shot. No good too. Rebound, no good then. Cleanup was no good. Papa Bear may hawak. Kuya Maki tumanggap. Pasok ko yung good in. Our score on 90-69. Remember 3. Our score 90-72. Josh Cabanino. Kuya Martin turning on the Jets. Kuya Martin. Sa kanya na to. Oh, wait! Nagkapagana dalawang players. Time out. Oh. Last 2 minutes. Our score is 1974. Kuya Maki receives. Stand to shoot. Papa Bear. Durham and spin move. After that layup, no good. Back to the other end. Over to the other end. 90 score. Last 1 minute and 36 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Kuya Maki. Spin. He wants to get Alvin. But stolen. Pass to Martin. It's no good. Saved. Recovered by Yellow. Kuya Martin Durham into the paint. No good for him. Let's go. Who's 8. Who's pangilan na sa 28. Warning for graduation. Penalty.
Sub, catching.
Sub ba? Walang sub. Sub rep. First shot, Kuya Martin. No good. Sub rep. Sub rep. Our score is 90-77. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining. Papa Bear tumanggap. 70 seconds shot clock. At may hawak ng bola, pass to pitching, 12 to shoot. Last 1 minute! Rebound. Wasting time. 80-second shot clock, twitching, wasting time. 15 to shoot, 13 to shoot now. Yellow, time is their enemy. Nabitawan ng bola. Kuha ng yellow. Yellow, passes to, wala pa kasama, pass to Kume. Kume, 30 seconds remaining. Kume for 3. No good. Rebound, Martin clean up the good. Time remaining, 20 seconds. And this is already over. Shot clock is at 11. And that is the end of the ball game.